Did you know that the number of possible ways of playing the first 4 moves per side in a chess game is 318,979,564,000? Now that's a lot of ways to say checkmate. Chess, my friends, is not merely a game, it's a battle of strategic minds, a dance of intellect and wit. And today we're diving into the heart of the battlefield with 10 chess tips and tricks for intermediate players. So, if you're ready to turn your game from check to checkmate, stick around, because we're just getting started. They say in chess, pawns are the soul of the game. They might be small, but they're mighty, just like ants lifting 20 times their body weight. Now let's dive into the importance of these humble pieces. Pawns control the board, folks, and not just in a "hey, I'm in your way" kind of sense. They dictate the flow of the game, creating strategic opportunities and challenges for both players. There's a term called pawn chain, where pawns support each other in a diagonal line. It's like a tiny but formidable fortress. Then we have pawn islands, isolated pawns or groups of pawns separated by empty columns. They're like little chess archipelagos. And let's not forget passed pawns, those brave soldiers that have no enemy pawns to stop them from reaching the other side. Remember, even a pawn can become a queen. Talk about a career upgrade. So next time, before you sacrifice your pawn for an attack, remember, every piece has its own power. Ever heard of the King's Gambit? No, it's not a new dance move. This is a classic and audacious chess opening that's been around since the 15th century. It's like the wild child of chess strategies, always ready to stir things up on the board. Here's how it works. You, playing as white, start by moving your king's pawn 2 spaces forward. Then, instead of playing it safe, you offer up your second pawn as bait. It's a daring move that can give you control of the center of the board early in the game. Now the King's Gambit is like asking your boss for a raise. It could go really well or really badly. But isn't that part of the fun? It's a bold move, sure, but no one ever won a chess game by playing it safe. So give the King's Gambit a whirl in your next game. But remember, in chess, like in life, it's all about taking risks. Time is of the essence, especially when you're on the clock. In chess, much like life, managing your time is crucial. Every second lost could be the difference between victory and defeat. We've shared some key tips today, from the secrets of the chessboard to the power of pawns and the King's Gambit. So remember, whether you're a pawn or a king, every move counts. And if you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to subscribe for more chess-tastic content. Because in this channel, we don't just play chess, we live it.